Yeah.
Yeah.
Do heroin, you have heroin.
Basically. Hi guys, I'm talking to a spoon because I really like interviews.
Na, 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 na. Where can I get some good food?
Up your mum.
Do a freestyle right now, I'll give you £50.
Yeah.
Girls, I know you want to listen to that freestyle right now. Go on.
Why are you talking into a spoon?
Yo, these girls want mad love.
Oh.
Trying to mini man love.
Oh.
Yeah?
I'm trying to look at man love.
Oh.
I ain't got nothing for love.
Oh.
Stop it.
What's your biggest red flag in a guy? Yeah, what's
People
your
that
biggest...
hold spoons.
Okay, you're done.
Biggest ick?
Yeah, biggest ick.
Guys having a bath.
Okay. What?
Damn!
You smoke?
Have him. No, actually, yeah, get fucked.
No! I'm doing this for you! Kids, don't smoke. Not good. Smoking doubles your risk of stroke. So don't smoke or you have a stroke. Get help to stop smoking at www.nhs.uk/quit. Oh, you hear that? Drip, bro. What you got on?
I'm going home, sleep.
Oh, you got no. What have you got on? Is it good?
Got him. We fucking got him.
I keep this for later. Oh! I'm joking! He's not joking! I'm joking!
He's not joking! You gotta spot that shit, bro.
You take baths? Yeah, you take baths. Let's say
What do you think?
I take showers. I don't take baths.
That's why I don't really take baths. I don't really take baths like that. Occasionally, now and then, if I'm like a little candle and that, I don't give a fuck. What?
Okay. I'm gonna catch a wine. Come dance with me. Come on. Why did she call you ugly?
Streets are cold.
Streets are cold.
Yeah.
What's your real pro? Okay? Agree.
You can agree.
Yeah, I could agree. Let me get your socials.
No, we gotta go now, quickly. I'm sorry.
Oh, cameraman back at it again! I can't believe this shit! Guys, if you wasn't aware, the camera's done it again. Do you remember in Liverpool what he did? Well, he did that shit again, right in front of me. After I told him he's not allowed to. Cameraman, do you have anything to say? No? Do you regret your actions? No? Are you gonna do it again? Oh, shit. You ain't shit. And that shit full as well. I swear that's expensive as well, like £18!
£18 for that? That's how much it is, bro.
80!
Yes, bro.
18 £18!
Yes, bro.
I like the drip.
Yes, thank you.
You got a girlfriend, you get girls.
Yeah?
You get girls.
No.
No! You get guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Cigarettes, like, these are not regular cigarettes. These cigarettes was used by some random guy. It's a, hey!
I do heroin, you have heroin.
He looks like he does heroin. I don't think he was joking. We're lit! You saying, bro?
Oh, glistening, bro. Fuck off.
I got these grills for £5. Yes!
Yeah.
£5.
A fiver! A girl just told me her biggest ick is a guy taking a bath.
Take them now and then, showers mainly, wasn't it? It's quick and easy.
What?
Hey,
You know what I mean?
the same thing but in English, please. I'm gonna sing. She want me, she alright. We and Manny, we're the bad bees. I'm Francy GTG. Go subscribe to my YouTube. I'm right by with the dreadlocks. Bro, that's not. Let me get a wooden spoon, bro. Hey, listen, bro. First of all, it's not a wooden spoon. Damn. It's a mic.
Hi guys, I'm talking to a spoon because I really like interviews.
Guys, I got nothing you can't refuse.
Good night, bro.
La 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 million followers. Yeah, Uncle said, give me something. I don't have nothing. This is why you have to subscribe so I can get money from YouTube. So if you're not subscribed right now, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video. Leave a comment. I reply to all of them. Sometimes. With 2 days delay. But who cares? I still answer.
Do you know how many population in Sakaka right now?
18 pounds!